In this video, we are going to begin our fox by cutting the pieces included in the kit. So each of the pieces will have a guideline stitched out for you. And what you're going to do is you're just going to remove that outer line of stitches. So you don't want to cut in too deep on that outer edge. You just want to basically just cut off the stitches, that outer line of stitches. So you'll follow along the inside edge using your scissors to just cut off those stitches. You'll notice that my scissors are basically staying straight out in front of me, and I'm turning the piece of fabric, not the scissors. And that just gives you a little bit more control while you're cutting. And there it is. That's the base piece. You've just cut it out. And you can see the outline of stitches that you just cut off to make that piece come out. There you go. So there's that piece done. I like to start with the simpler piece and move my way on to cutting out the less simple pieces. To make this a little simpler to cut, I like to just cut the pieces out, or cut the pieces apart first. So the front and back of the body pieces, I like to kind of just cut them apart before I do the precision cutting around the outer edge. So we'll start with the back piece, and we're going to do the same thing that we did for the body base piece. We're just going to go around and slowly and carefully cut off that outer line of stitches so that we're left with the back body piece and no outer line of stitches. I'll just take my time and cut just inside that line. You want to be careful to precisely cut so that you're just taking off that line so that all of the pieces will match up together when you're trying to sew them together. Now carefully cut those pieces. And there's the back body piece done. And the outline of stitches that you cut off. Now with this one, you want to be really sure that you're only cutting off that outer line of stitches. You don't want to cut off the inner line of stitches because you will use that as a stitch guideline when you're sewing your project. So you only cut that outer line of stitches off to make your piece. That inner line of stitches we'll use later. I just want to gently cut around those pieces. I can just pull off any thread that's left over, and there they are. Each piece cut out and ready for assembly. You can see where the guidelines are for when we do our whip stitches later. And there are all of the pieces cut and ready to sew.